What's up guys, today I'm gonna be upgrading all the lights with Tacoma LED lights. I just want to show you the license plate lights. This is what I'm gonna upgrade first. Okay, so here's my Tacoma LED package. So just a simple envelope. Inside the envelope it has instructions. How to remove the covers for the dome lights and the center console light. It has all the lights. So I'm gonna start off with the license plate. So here's the license plate light. What you need to do is reach in here, right there, the light, twist it off and pull the light. Alright guys, I find the easiest way to get back there is to reach under through here. Pretty much your hand is gonna go straight up. You're gonna twist and you're gonna pull the light bulb out. Let me pull the light bulb out and I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, so I pulled the bulb out, replaced it with the LED. As you can see, that's the white one, brand new. This is the stock one. Let's go back. I'll have to do a test at night, see if they actually light up more than the stock. Alright guys, today we're gonna be changing out all the light bulbs in here. Pretty much this stuff, this one's, same for the driver's side. Okay, so first what you want to do is just slowly pry it off. There we go. So it's off. So as you can see here, so this is it came like this. So there's two little tabs and this one. Alright guys, it came out. So all I had to do was just pry, let me see, pry on the side and it started coming out. This is the type of LEDs. I believe they are directional. So, I mean, polarity specific. Yep. Oh wait, there we go. Because of my license plate, I put one in and it didn't light up, so I had to flip it. But yeah, there we go. As you can see, it's working. Let's turn it off. Put the cover back on. There we go. It lights up. So let's compare both of them. Yep. So let's do the same thing for the other one. What you want to do is you just want to pry on the corner. Pry that. Oops. Pry the other corner. Keep prying on it. There we go. Pry here in the very corner. And then just pry a little bit more. Let's stick it behind where it's grabbing, and it's out. There's an empty space right here, so you just put a pick tool, and it comes out. Okay, so there we go. Both of them work. Let me just turn it off and put the cover back on, and that should be it for the front map lights. So what you want to do, there's two slots. So by the switch, you want to, there's two little tabs right here. So what you want to do is you want to poke this out, and then the other side, you put the flashlight here. So wait, so there's one, and then the other side right here, and then pry it off. I'm not sure if you're able to see the light bulb. So what you want to do now is just push this light bulb out, So this is the new one. You want to put the LEDs down. Alright guys, here it is. Something I've noticed is that it's kind of crooked. I don't know if you're able to tell, but it works. I mean, I don't really like that. Seems like it's slightly too big, because that one's where it's supposed to go, in that little hole. But this, I don't know, you can see how it's sticking out. This isn't going all the way. If you start pushing it, the little cap over here starts bending. But I mean, it works. Let me just turn the light on. As you can see, it's super bright. So yes, let me turn it off and put the cover back on. So just put the cover back on and push it up, and that's it. Alright, for the vanity mirrors, lights. Down here, there's a little gap, as you can see right there. That's where you're gonna stick your little, either your screwdriver or the pick tool. But yeah, you'll see it. The camera's having a hard time picking it up. You can see it. That's where you're gonna stick the screwdriver and pop the cover off. Okay guys, when you pry it off, it should just come off. There, you're able to see the little light. Now you want to replace it with your Tacoma Beast LED light, or any LED light that you bought. Alright guys, here's both of them. Boom, super bright. See, I don't know, let's see if we're able to tell the difference. Oh yeah, and the headrest. There we go. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I did the map lights, dome light, and the license plate lights. So as you can see, all I have left is for the other mirror on the other side, and that's it. Alright, if you guys like this video, please subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more videos and more mods to the Tacoma. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Alright guys, here's the lights at night. Pretty bright. Let me turn the parking. License plates. I'm gonna be upgrading the brake lights. Wow, those are super bright. Alright guys, well that's it.